Hello, fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today to share with you some gifts from my friends over at Paintsomeway. They contacted me and asked me if I would be interested in showing you some items. I said yes. I picked out some cute things, and I'm just going to dive in. So I've got four different canvases to show you today. So let me just dive in here. The first one is a partial, as you can already tell, I'm sure. So we get a boat, a plate of wax, a pink pin. We do get some tweezers because it is a partial, and special drill. There's our drills. And here is this little cutie. So this little guy is 30 by 30. And as you can see, it's a partial. I'm still looking for partials to add to my selection. So this is 25 by 25 for my 30 by 30 challenge in September. I'm actually to the point that I need to start kitting up some stuff, but I wanted some more partials to pick from so that I have some choices and I don't just have to, I only have enough to do the 30. So we've got 18 colors. It does have the codes on here, but these are the crystal codes, not actual DMC codes. It is nice and sticky. So let me open the drills here. And let me start at the other end so we can look at our rhinestones. So we've got some like dark blue rhinestones, some purple rhinestones, some very pretty pink iridescent marquee, some pink iridescent rounds, a very pretty like dark blush pink rhinestone or crystal rhinestone, round light purple. We've got some clear, some very pretty like berry red, some small pink rounds, a dark blue, a black, a green, a slightly larger clear round, a very pretty turquoise, kind of a mauvey purple, some large pearlized rounds, some smaller pearlized rounds, and then some yellows. So lots more colors than I would have expected actually from a kit this size. So that's nice. And yeah, trying to wind all this back up so I can get it back in the paper here. Sorry for all the crinkling. But again, I wanted to get some more 30 by 30s that I could use in my challenge next month. And also that were cute. I just thought this guy was adorable. So, oh, and this one was $3.99. So there's one. And then the second one, let me get things out of the way here. Oh, this is another partial. Let me, again, get things out of the way here. Oh, this canvas is a little stiffer than the previous one. This is more like the kind of stiff burlap I've gotten used to. Okay, so pretty standard kit, boat, plate of wax, pink pin. You do get a couple of baggies in there. It is a round kit. We do have a couple of special drills in there, and it is this cutie. It is another 30 by 30 partial, and I just thought it was nice and colorful, and I thought it would make a good addition to my options for my 30 by 30 challenge. So this one is actually almost 26 by almost 26, so a little bit larger than the last one. We do have a schematic on both sides, which is nice. It does also have the DMC codes, although those look like special drill codes rather than actual DMCs. It is nice and sticky, and I love this star background. I just thought that would be really pretty for the partial. Okay, so again, sorry for all the crinkling. Let's look at our drills here. Okay, we've got a dark purple, a red, a light blue, a bright green, kind of a sea green, a true green, ooh, some yellow ABs, a very pretty bubblegum pink, some off-white, and some light blue. So some very pretty colors in this one. That's nice. Which way does this fold? I think it got folded that way. Okay, and then we do have some special drills here. We've got this orange iridescent teardrop shape that goes right there in the middle of the forehead. We've got some clear iridescent marquee cut, some very pretty kind of antique gold teardrop shape, and some round kind of pale turquoise pearlescent ones. So yeah, again, I just wanted some more options for partials. I felt like I was getting too many of the full drill, so I wanted to have some options for that. So there's that one. Oh, and the elephant was $5.99. Okay, and then this one, whoops, did something fall out? Okay, just the kit. Okay. Ooh, this is another stiff one. Let me get it rolling here so I can lay it flat for you guys. So standard kit, boat plated wax pink pen. We've got crystals and some special drills in this one. And ta-da, here's this guy. So another 30 by 30 partial. And I know it's Christmas and that may seem a little bit early, but so he is 25 by 25. But because I'm going to be doing this in September and other things are going to be coming up, last year I only did one kind of Christmas themed kit, nice and sticky, schematic on both sides, and it does have the codes. So that's good. I only did one kind of Christmas one last year and I kind of regretted it. So I wanted to get some Christmas ones for this year. So, okay. So we've got some 5200 ABs, and then this has a crystal code. So I think this is more just a pearlized one rather than an AB. We've got clear crystals. We've got red. We've got that old kind of antique gold yellow, some Christmas green, some dark red, some darker green, some dark orange, some blue. And we've got some round red. I'm assuming that's for the holly berries. We've got some large round pearls, some large marquee shaped clear iridescent, some smaller clear marquee shaped iridescent, and then we've got some of those kind of pale yellow star cut ones. And where did those go? Number 15. Oh, it's the center of some of the snowflakes. So this one will be fun, I think. Lots of fun, you know, Christmas colors. It's got that AB in it. So I think this one will be really pretty. Simple but pretty. And also quick, which is always nice with these partials. So, and if I don't get them done in my 30 by 30 challenge, then I can always save some of them up and do some smash in the specials when that rolls around. So, okay. Oh, and the snowman was $4.99. Okay, and then my last kit here, if I can get it out, is, oh, you guys, this was one of my favorites. I saw this one and I was like, oh, it's so cute. I got to have it. Okay. Let me roll it up here. So we get a standard kit, boat plated wax pink pen, and then we've got our round drills. And you guys, look how cute this is. It's a flamingo. I saw this one and I was like, oh my goodness, I gotta have it. Flamingos are so cute. And flamingos in pink, that's what I'm all about these days. Don't know why, but that's where I'm at. Okay, so that is almost 25 by a little over 34 and a half. So we do get a schematic on both sides. And it has the DMC codes, which is nice. Love it when we get those. It is a white background, which, as you guys know, is not my favorite thing, but it's nice and sticky. The background is the eye symbol, so when you have to cover it with round drills, that's my preference. It's easier to cover those, and if your drills aren't placed perfectly, it's not as easy to tell. Okay, so lots of white as expected. There's 2 bags of white. And then let's get all these other colors here. Okay, so we've got this deep berry pink. We've got a pink, a red, kind of a pale mocha, kind of a very pale sage green. There's that berry pink, a pale yellow, a brown, kind of a hunter green. There's that flamingo pink color, some gray. That's a pale yellow. It's kind of got some green undertones to it though. There's another kind of olive green, kind of a dark blush pink, a forest green, a hunter green. It's like a kind of a lilac-y mauve, and then a darker mauve. Oh, and then 2 more bags of white. So definitely lots of white in this one, but also lots of cool pinks because it's a flamingo. And yeah, you guys, I just thought this one was super cute. And this one was $5.99. So yeah, super happy about how this one looks. I don't think there's anything in there that looks like it will give me an issue. I mean, it's pretty much whites and pinks. So just to recap, we've got our beautiful flamingo. We've got our happy little snowman with the snowflakes and the Christmas tree. We've got our colorful elephant, and we've got our cute little kind of collage bunny. So as always, I will put links in the description down below so that you guys can go check these out for yourself, and or anything else that might grab your fancy while you're there. Before you leave, guys, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.